Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, grade 7, page 32, 33. Exercise 10. Here we are dealing with, Bismillah, we are dealing with Jam'u مذكر السالم. Which is sound, masculine, plural. We are going to take an example, al-muslimu, which is mufrad means singular, and jam' is the plural is al-muslimun. Al-muslimuna, Muslims, the Muslims. This is plural. Another example, we have al-mu'minu, the believer. Plural is al-mu'minuna. Another example, al-amilu, the worker. Plural al-amiluna. Take note that all these plurals are ending with waw and noon. Waw and noon. Waw and noon. And before waw and noon we have dhamma. We have al-mu'minuna, dhamma. Al-amiluna, dhamma. So these plurals are ending with waw and noon. There are many Arabic nouns that could be converted into plural using waw and noon. Many, so many. We have al-muhandisu, the plural is al-muhandisuna. The engineer, the engineers. We have also as-salihu, the pious. As-salihuna. As-sadiqu, as-sadiquna. Al-katibu, al-katibuna. So all these ending with waw and noon are called jam'u muzakkar as-salim. Salim means sound. Why it is called jam'u muzakkar as-salim? Because the original al-muslimu remained the same, is unchanged. You see, al-amilu, unchanged. Al-muhandisu, unchanged. As-salihu, unchanged. So the original structure, the singular, is still the same. Nothing has been changed in the singular form. That's why we call it jam'u muzakkar as-salim. So we only have to add waw and noon to convert it into jam'u muzakkar as-salim. There is another form of jam'u al-muzakkar as-salim. Al-muslimun, it becomes al-muslimina. This is also jam'u muzakkar salim, ending with ya noon, followed before ya noon you have kasra. Al-mu'minun becomes al-mu'minina. And you have al-amilun becomes al-amilina. Al-muhandisun becomes al-muhandisina. Similarly, الصالحون becomes الصالحين. How to use them? How to use? Where should we use Muslimun ending with waw nun, and where we should use Muslimin ending with ya nun? I'm going to give you an example in a sentence. We say ذهب المسلم ذهب المسلم إلى المسجد. ذهب المسلم إلى المسجد. إلى المسجد. The word al-Muslimu is singular. It ends with dhamma. Why? Because it is the subject of the verb dhahaba. Who did the action of going to the masjid is a Muslim. It is singular. So when Muslim is used as a subject, it ends with dhamma. When any noun is used as a subject of a verb, it ends with dhamma. Now, if we want to say the Muslims as plural, because this one is singular, so we will say ذهب المسلمون. ذهب المسلمون. You see why? Because it is plural. So when the Jam'u Muzakkar Salim, masculine sound plural, is used as a subject of a verb, it ends with waw and noon. And before waw, you put dhamma. ذهب المسلمون إلى المسجد. Similarly, you will say for al-mu'min, صام, fasted. al-mu'minuna, صام mu'minun, when it is plural. صام al-mu'minuna Ramadan. Okay? Fasted. The believers fasted the month of Ramadan. Similarly for muhandis, when it is plural, it becomes al-muhandisun. So we say bana, built. Al-muhandisuna, the engineers built. Bana al-muhandisuna al-imar. The engineers built the building. So you see, they are all ending with waw and noon because they are the subject of they are the subject of their verbs. The subject of dhahaba is al-muslimun. Who did the action of going? Al-muslimun. So the plural ends with waw and noon. Sama al-mu'minun. Who did the action of fasting? Al-mu'min, the believer, al-mu'minun, the believer. So it ends with waw and noon. Bana al-muhandisun. Who did the action of building, of constructing, of making? The engineers. So the engineers, al-muhandisun, is the subject of the verb bana. So it is clear now that when the sound plural is used as subject of a verb, it ends with waw and noon. That is clear for the first part of this exercise. We are going to solve the exercise. But before this, we are going to learn where sound plural ends with ya and noon. Very simple. I want to say قابل الرجل. قابل means met. The man met al-muslima. You see, here al-muslima is the Muslim which ends with fatha. It is singular. Why? Because it is the accusative object of qab, the verb qabala. The man met whom? The Muslim. It is singular. Now we are going to say, we could convert this into sound plural. We will say qabala al-rajulu al-muslimina. So when the sound plural is used as an accusative object, complement d'objet, it ends with ya and noon. And before ya you put kasra. You see how it is used with ya and noon. So we have, for example, al-mu'minun. Ra'a al-rajulu, the man saw al-mu'minin. You see? The believers. It is accusative object here, complement d'objet. That's why it ends with ya and noon. Huh? Now, similarly for as-sa'imin. Akrama, honored. Huh? Akrama al-rajulu. Make it simple. The man honored as-sa'imin, those who are fasting. So just to understand it now, it is very clear that when sound plural jam'u muzakkar salim is used as subject of a verb, it ends with waw and noon, and before waw you put dhamma. When it is used as an accusative object, complement d'objet, it ends with fatha when it is singular, and it ends with ya and noon, and before ya noon you put kasra. This is when it is used as an accusative object. There is another form. For example, it also ends with ya and noon when it is used with a preposition. Ala, ila, for example, or ala, preposition. ذهب الإمام. The Imam went ila to. The Imam went ila al-musallin. Al-musallin. Al-musallin is a plural of al-musalli, the one who is praying, the worshipper. Al-musalli. So the plural is al-musallun. So when it is used with ila or any other preposition, it becomes al-musallin. Now, inshallah, we're going to answer the questions on page 33, exercise number 10.